Dear students, the last topic in the chapter business service is communication, transportation, and warehouse. In this lesson, we are going to wind up the chapter business service by learning the concepts regarding how the communication, transportation, and warehousing helps the business people for the effective running of their business. So you know very well, communication is a fast growing industry in the business field. What is communication? It involves sharing of information between two parties. Every time, communication plays a prominent role in the business sector. It reduces the gap between businessmen and the stakeholders, maybe a customer, another organization, supplier. Every time, communication technologies helps for the easy and fast speed transfer of information from one person to another. It involves the process like creating idea or message, transferring it to decoding, encoding the message, then decoding the message, feedback by the receiver, etc. Whatever it may be, in business, for the businessman, communication plays lot of roles. So without communication or proper communication devices, it is not possible to run the business. Lot of facilities are available in the form of communication. Mainly two areas are there, postal services and telecom services in India. So communication have a great role in the business field. So it plays in two different forms, postal services and telecom services. So first of all, we have to learn what are the different postal services. I think it is one of the traditional form of communication, but it is very relevant in the present era also. It provides lots of services for the business people. Post box and post bags are the traditional one, but speed post is one of the modern concept which gives support for the business people for easy and speed transfer of information or a valid document from one long area to another long area, maybe from Delhi to Kerala. Then it provides identity card for proof of residence. Indian Post ATM is there. RMS Railway Mail Service there. Post Office Passport Seva Kendras are there. Then Aadhaar Enrollment and Updation Service are there. Western Union Money Transfer is there. Postal Life Insurance and Rural Postal Life Insurance facility is there. They also provide savings bank facility, saving cash certificates they are provided. India Post Payment Bank is there and also provide from the very beginning till now stamp sales also. So lot of services are there by the postal department in India for the support of business people in India and all over the world. And telecom services. Telecommunication service, their network plays a prominent role for the entire business field by transferring their data from one place to another. Telecommunication services are those that are provided by a communication company, provided by a communication company that offers voice and data services over a large area. So with the invention of internet, telecom services developed their services into large level. The most common form of telecommunication services is phone services. You know very well. Without mobile phones and more than that, so many gadgets are there. Without that type of online platforms, we can't live in this world. So telecom services provides lot of opportunity with the support of internet, television, and networking facility. We can easily transfer information from one place to another. We can transfer information in any format. They are also providing DTH services. Lot of cable services are provided by them. It is also used for education purpose also. So communication services provides business people a very good support for the easy transfer of information from one place to another. It will be in two forms, postal services and telecom services. So communication plays another important role. Communication services are very important for the transfer of one company's information, maybe about their product from one area and from one area to a large and mass environment, mass media effect is given. So these are all about communication. And another concept we have to remember, yet another service for the business is transportation. You know from the child classes, transportation helps for the easy movement of person or goods. It is mainly of rail, road, air, water. So every time without transportation, the physical movement of goods is not possible. Not only goods, maybe persons. Business peoples are much influenced by the transportation services. Mainly they are using transportation services for the movement of goods from the production place to the consumers. Maybe from production place to the wholesaler or to the retailer or to the consumer. So it helps the business people for the easy transfer of goods for the consumers, maybe from a long area. So transportation is very essential for the easy movement of goods and people. And yet another thing is warehousing. Warehousing is also another business service, very important for keeping the products very safely depending upon the demand of the consumer. Once the products are produced, can be stored in a safe place known as warehouses. Different forms of warehouses are there which provides facility for storing different type of perishable goods also. So we can save time and energy of people who are dealing in business with the support of all these services. So commonly we learn in this business service chapter what is the concept of business service, what are the different type of services involved in business like banking, insurance, communication, transportation and warehousing. Remember all the value points for developing your own concept. Hope all the ideas are very clear. If any doubts, please watch again all the videos and discuss through online platforms with me for developing your own concepts. So thank you for watching this video. Hope you got the relevant points regarding the chapter business service. We will meet in the next chapter with another video lesson. Thank you.